Hello students, let us continue the lesson. Next point is rectangular selection tool. How to use this rectangular selection tool in MS Paint, so that we are going to learn in this session. And before continuing this point, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. So first of all, you understand why the selection is necessary. So why to select the images? If you want to move the image, if you want to copy the image, or if you want to delete the image, in that case that image has to be selected. If you have not selected that image, then you cannot do any of this task like moving, copying, deleting and all. So this tool, rectangular selection tool, selects the object in a rectangular form. So in a rectangular shape, so that object will be selected. Okay, here steps are given. Draw the Mickey Mouse as shown in the figure 5.4. Okay, first of all, let me open Paint. In a run, type MS Paint. Okay, so this is a Paint window, and we have that both the types of selection in this select option, rectangular selection and freeform selection. So that is given on the home tab. So first of all, they have given to draw the Mickey Mouse, but I'm not going to draw the Mickey Mouse. I will draw some simple images. Okay, so let me draw this star mark. Okay, this is star symbol, and let me fill the color in this shape. Okay, so I have drawn this image. Okay, then second step, click on the rectangular selection tool to select the object. Place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected. Okay, now after drawing the image, click on the home tab, you have a select tool, then click on this rectangular selection tool and place the mouse pointer outside the shape, means from where you are going to begin your selection. So just you have to keep in that location from where your selection is going to begin. Click and hold down the left mouse button and then drag around the outer boundary of the object. So then afterwards, after keeping the mouse outside the shape, so just hold your left mouse button and drag it down. So don't release the mouse button. Okay, so drag it till your selection completes. Okay, then you release your mouse button. So now you can see, so that area is selected. Okay, so that area from where I have begun the selection, from that point to till the again I dragged it, so till where you want that image to be selected. So just drag it, then release the mouse button when it is completely selected. So afterwards release the mouse button after that complete selection gets over. So this part I want to select, then afterwards I can move it like this. Okay, so this is a way. Or if you want to delete, you can press a delete key on your keyboard, so that image got deleted. Understood? So just click on select tool, select the rectangular selection tool and keep the mouse pointer outside the shape and hold your left mouse button and drag it over that part. Then afterwards you can separate that part. Okay, so by using this rectangular tool, you can select, and if you want to delete this also, same thing, select the image and press the delete key on your keyboard, so that image will be selected. So by using this rectangular tool, you can do this selection, moving, copying and deleting. So next is freeform selection tool. The freeform selection tool is used to select the part of an image in an irregular shape. So rectangular selection tool selects the object in a rectangular shape, and freeform selection tool is used to select the object in an irregular shape. Irregular shape means there is no any proper shape for that object. You can select as you want. We can even drag the selected portion and place it on another location here. So by selecting that portion and by selecting and by dragging, we can remove that portion from that object and we can place that portion in a place it for the other object in other place. We can place that thing. Okay, so look at the points here, the steps are given. Select the freeform selection tool, place the pointer on the drawing area. So, okay, in this, let me let me draw this shape. Okay, then let me fill the color inside this shape. Okay, after drawing the shape, just click on select tool, then select freeform selection. So now, then second step, select the object. Example, nose of Mickey Mouse. Now they are selecting nose of a Mickey Mouse. Okay, so by holding down the left mouse button and moving the pointer around the outer boundary of the object, release the mouse button after selecting the object. So that is nose. Okay, so in my example, I'm going to select the this. Okay, so only this portion. So then what you have to do is you just hold your left mouse button and you drag it and go on select the part. Okay, so that part is selected. Then just release the mouse button after selecting. Then afterwards you can separate that portion. So drag the nose towards left as shown in the figure 5.5. Now click on the undo button and observe the change. Okay, so now we have separated this part from this object. Then when we press undo button, then automatically, so this portion will be refixed in that place. Okay, so undo button, the shortcut is Control Z. Press Control Z. So that is the undo button. So here we'll see where is undo button is given. Okay, so undo button I cannot see anywhere on a menu. So directly can press Control Z button. So that portion will be replaced. Okay, refixed in that same original place. Simple. Click on select tool. In that select tool, select this freeform selection. Then select the part, which part you want to remove, or you want to cut, or you want to delete. Okay, so this part I want to delete. Okay, in this way you can take it out. So this is the way to remove the part or delete the portion. When you press the delete key, so that portion gets deleted. Understood? When you press Control Z again, then again it comes back. Undo means what happens actually. So that last action what you have performed, so that action will be reversed. So, okay, so that is undo. So that is the use of undo button. I hope you have understood this both the points. One is rectangular selection tool and second one is freeform selection tool. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.